Hello everybody. On this occasion of World Health Day, we are discussing some of the hygienic practices. For one of the most important organ, hands. These are one of the most important organ of our body, which steers all around from eating to itching or writing to wearing or shaking hand to have somebody. Or in other words, some of the most important activities are assigned to these hands. In this era of COVID-19 and recent resurgence, proper and regular hand washing practices are one of the best ways to remove germs and prevent getting sick. Now, how to wash your hand? First of all, wet with clean and preferably running water, and then apply enough soap on either surface of the hands. Then lather and rub both hands together briskly and thoroughly, and then scrub at least for 20 seconds, and then rinse under clean and running water, and then clean and dry. Now the important thing is, what are the steps of hand washing or proper hand washing? Now these are: first step, palm to palm. In the step 2, in between the fingers. In the step 3, the back of the hands on either side. Then at the base of the thumb of both hands. Then back of the fingers of both hands thoroughly. Then fingernails. Fingernails, most of the time we forget to clean our fingernails properly. And then the wrist on either side. Then at last, rinse under clean and running water, and then wipe and dry. Now these are the hygienic practices we must practice in our day-to-day practices, which makes us near to 80 to 90% of the impurities to clean, so that we get sick very occasionally. Now I am very thankful to DWPS Manindragarh.
Good morning, I am Dr. Shuman Pal, physician of Manindragarh. 7th April is World Health Day. It is celebrated annually, and each year draws attention to specific health topic of concern to people all over the world. The date 7th April marks the anniversary of founding of World Health Organization in 1948. Theme of this year is building a fairer, healthier world. We all know that COVID-19 has hit all countries hard, but its impact has been harshest on those communities which were already vulnerable, who are more exposed to disease, less likely to have access to quality of health services. That's why we are calling on leaders to ensure that everyone has good living and working condition, as well as all people are able to access quality of health services. I am thankful to Delhi World Public School Manindragarh for giving me this opportunity to create awareness. I am sure that the school will grow exponentially and benefit our society a lot. Thank you very much.